ready to plan your next trip itinerary, TripTrop has got you covered. Let's take a quick tour of how to explore cities. Once you have settled on the perfect destination for your next trip, you can easily add any cities you plan to visit by tapping the Select a City button. This will open a drop-down menu of all the available cities, each accompanied by the percentage of travelers who have planned to visit that particular city. If you don't find what you're looking for, simply scroll to the bottom and tap on Other to type in the name of the city. Once you've done that, you just need to confirm it and you're all set. Let's use the city of Paris as an example. After selecting Explore Paris, you will be directed to the city guide, which provides itinerary samples to help guide your travels. You can also download an offline map to easily navigate without internet. To do this, simply click the three dots at the top of the city. Choose Offline Map and complete your purchase. With this feature, you will have access to all the important information with just one click, no internet necessary. With that, you're all set.